Receive Bitcoin to your wallet. Step-by-step guide. First, head over to a trading platform and create a free account. Once you're logged in, go to your wallet section. Here, you'll need to enter an activation key provided by investors and activate it. After that, the funds will be credited to your account balance. Next, let's withdraw the funds to your personal wallet. Choose Bitcoin from the list of available assets. Enter your Bitcoin wallet address. You can use any wallet you prefer. Specify the amount you'd like to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Now we wait for the withdrawal to be processed. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it'll be complete. Let's check the external wallet. As you can see, the funds have arrived in my Trust wallet. And here's the transaction hash as proof on the blockchain.